Niacinamide, the multitasking skincare. Today, let's talk about a skincare ingredient that can do so many good things for your skin. Niacinamide. Maybe you have oily skin or dark spots, or you just want a stronger skin barrier. Niacinamide can help all of these. What if one ingredient could calm redness, fade spots, and balance oil? Niacinamide is the answer. What is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. It helps your skin stay strong like a shield against bad stuff. This shield is called the skin barrier. When your barrier is healthy, your skin looks smooth, feels soft, and can protect itself better. Think of it like building a strong wall. Niacinamide is the bricks that keep everything strong and locked in. Niacinamide is amazing because it helps with many skin issues. 1. Reduces redness. If your skin gets red easily, niacinamide can calm it down. 2. Fades, dark spots. Over time, it helps brighten areas of uneven color or old marks from pimples. 3. Controls oil. If your skin is too oily, niacinamide can tell your skin to produce less oil so you look more balanced. 4. Smooths fine lines. By supporting your barrier, it can help your skin feel firmer and look smoother. I know it sounds like magic, but it's really science. When your skin barrier is happy, your skin can do its job better. How to use niacinamide. Many products have niacinamide, serums, moisturizers, even some cleansers. You can layer it with other products like after you wash your face and before your moisturizer. Mix it with a moisturizer if it's in serum form. Morning or night, it's gentle enough to use anytime. Some people do both morning and evening. Just remember, start slowly if you are new to any ingredient. Maybe once a day, then increase to twice a day if your skin likes it. Common concerns and myths. Form 1. Can I mix niacinamide with vitamin C? Yes, it's usually safe. Some older studies said you shouldn't mix them, but most modern formulas are stable and work fine together. Just watch how your skin reacts. 2. Is niacinamide for all skin types? Yes, dry, oily, combination, sensitive, anyone can benefit. 3. Do I need high percentages? Even 2 to 5% can help. More is not always better. Start low and see how your skin likes it. Your skin is unique just like you. Listen to it. If something feels too strong, use it less often. If you see good results, keep going. Also, remember to protect your skin with sunscreen every day. I hope you now see why niacinamide is called a multitasking hero. It helps reduce redness, dark spots, extra oil, and it builds a strong skin barrier. If you want to learn more about advanced skincare tips, subscribe to Samira Pro Beauty Clinic. We share knowledge about laser hair removal, skincare rituals, permanent makeup, and more. Thank you for spending your time with me, and keep exploring ways to love your skin.